In an era where adventure motorcycles are becoming increasingly complex and expensive, Vogue has decided to take a refreshingly different path for 2026. While many manufacturers are chasing higher displacements and dizzying price tags, the 2026 Vogue DS500X returns to its roots. The headline for this year is simple: higher cost performance, CP value, with the same proven recipe. Vogue has recognized that for many riders, the DS500X was already the Goldilocks of adventure bikes, perfectly balanced in size, power, and utility. By refining the manufacturing process and optimizing the equipment list, Vogue has managed to lower the barrier to entry without sacrificing the rugged soul that made this bike a fan favorite. When the title says, "Formula Unchanged," it refers to the heart of the machine. The 2026 model retains the rock-solid 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. This liquid-cooled DOHC power plant is widely regarded as one of the most reliable engines in the mid-size segment, offering a smooth 47 horsepower and 43 Nm of torque. It is the perfect engine for the A2 license category and beyond, providing enough low-end grunt for light off-roading while maintaining a comfortable 120 to 130 km per hour cruising speed on the highway. By sticking with this proven engine rather than jumping to a newer, unproven platform, Vogue ensures that parts availability remains high and maintenance costs remain some of the lowest in the industry. The X in DS500X continues to represent its off-road aspirations. The 2026 model keeps the hardware that riders trust. You still get the high-travel KYB inverted front forks and the adjustable rear monoshock, providing a plush ride over gravel and potholes alike. The braking system remains top-tier for its class, featuring Nissin dual-disc brakes paired with a dual-channel Bosch ABS system that can be switched off for off-road maneuvers. The 19-inch front and 17-inch rear tubeless wire-spoked wheels wrapped in Pirelli or Metzeler rubber, depending on the region, remain standard, offering the durability of a dirt bike with the convenience of a tubeless street tire. So, how did Vogue make it better value? For 2026, the brand has focused on industrial optimization. By utilizing their massive scale as part of the Loncin Group, they have streamlined the production of the DS500X. The 2026 version sees a slight aesthetic refresh with new titanium gray and desert sand colorways that give it a more premium, rugged look. The cockpit has also been slightly updated with a clearer 7-inch TFT display that features improved Bluetooth connectivity and turn-by-turn navigation. Essentially, Vogue has trimmed the fat from the production cost and reinvested it into a lower retail price and better digital features, making it arguably the most competitive middleweight ADV on the market today. The 2026 Vogue DS500X is a love letter to the sensible adventurer. It doesn't try to be a 150 horsepower monster or a tech-overloaded spaceship. It is a reliable, comfortable, and highly capable travel companion that now costs less than many of its 300 cubic centimeters rivals. If you are looking for a motorcycle that can take you across the country on a budget without ever skipping a beat, the same formula, better price approach of the DS500X makes it the undisputed value king of 2026.